The concept of the fiery furnace from the book of Daniel, where Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego are miraculously preserved from death amidst flames, is often interpreted as a profound expression of faith and divine deliverance in the face of persecution. This narrative combines themes of adversity, the presence of God, and spiritual transformation. When viewed through a modern lens, the fiery furnace can be imagined as a metaphorical Stargate, symbolizing a gateway to higher dimensions or realities where divine encounters occur. This analogy fosters discussions about the nature of existence, the struggle between good and evil, and the connection of faith and contemporary ideas. Ultimately, such explorations invite believers and scholars alike to reflect on the multifaceted meanings embedded within sacred texts and the potential for divine presence in the most unexpected circumstances. Join me, Josh Reeves, for my 67th documentary film, The Fiery Furnace Stargate. The fiery furnace narrative takes place during the Babylonian captivity of the Israelites, a pivotal moment in Jewish history when many Hebrews were forcibly taken to Babylon following the conquest of Jerusalem in 586 BCE.